It is a knowledge-based question, and the idea of this question is to compare and contrast multiple quality terms. So let's see which of the context or which of the comparison is not correct. First comparison says prevention should be preferred over inspection. You see, whenever we talk about prevention, it means that we should do our work in a way that there must be less number of errors. So let's suppose if I am recording the whole course, whole question answers recording videos. So my prevention is that I should check everything. I should review the question and options and double check with my notes so that whenever I'm recording, my explanations are perfect. So this is prevention. What about inspection? Inspection means when the recording is done, when my team is, completed the editing and everything, and I'm reviewing it, that all the contents are aligned, my voice, my description is aligned with their, timing. So this is all about inspection, that I am checking after the product development, and I want to keep errors out of the customer. I don't want you to figure out error that we have some issues in our recording. So this is the difference between prevention versus inspection. So from the perspective of the question, the concept is right, but this is not the right answer for this question. Then we have second option, which is my favorite one, that is quality and grade should be defined separately. When I talk about grade versus quality, generally people think that both are same, but not. Just remember, low grade is perfectly fine, but low quality is not acceptable. So let's suppose, I am comparing two cars. Let's suppose Suzuki is one of the, model in the world, and Suzuki offered two cars. One is Suzuki Alto and the other one is Suzuki Baleno. So if I say Suzuki, Alto has less quality as compared to Suzuki Baleno, so it's not true. They both are different grade cars. They both have different functionalities. So whenever I will compare, I will always compare apple with apple and oranges with oranges. So I would say Alto is a low grade, high quality car, and Baleno is a high grade, low quality car, because Baleno is unable to, set its market standards and achieve the value that it is supposed to be. So the point is, you differentiate both of them based on their functionalities and then set the quality criteria. So the concept is right, but this is not the right option. Then option number C says control limits defines the tolerance of process quality. You see, it's not like this. When you say tolerance, so how many videos you can tolerate when I'm speaking fast? Because I'm naturally, a fast speaker. So what is your tolerance level? So this is what the limit that after that you will not be able to accept the product. And control limit is the threshold which you set to set the overall process. So it is not the right thing to compare and define in one way. So this is the wrong thing, and this is the right answer for this question. Then we have attribute sampling is not variable sampling. Perfectly fine. Whenever we do attribute sampling, it means we need to check that this thing is going perfectly fine or not, and the answer would be yes or no. So let's suppose, are you able to clearly hear my English? Are you able to clearly understand the concept? So we are checking the speed of description within each video. So that is the attribute sampling, and the answer would be yes or no. But what is variable sampling? How many candidates pass the exam after going through these questions? This is the variable sampling. So I hope you understand the typical content, which is basically mostly related like as synonyms, and I hope I cleared the overall concept for you. Thank you. Those who answered correctly through knowledge, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.